We have a new segment at the East Coast Supercharging YouTube channel called Meet the Crew, but if you'd like to see what Ricky is up to, follow Wreck-It Richard on Instagram today. So with back purging, right? So I know you can oxidize the welds and stuff. Oh, that's a little hot. But with back purging, what is the reason for the back purge?
So basically, like if you welded with the gas off, I'm sure you know if you welded before, it like oxidizes like super fast. So since there's like usually there's fit up gaps, like small gaps here and there. So if you didn't run gas through the inside of it would get that gross sugared like dark gray.
Oh yeah, look. You'll start getting that in your turbo and
stuff. Whereas like these, like if you look in the inside of them,
yeah,
like,
it looks nice and clean.
Yeah, you don't see all that grossness.
Yeah, that's cool. Like I knew the gas pulls the oxygen out of the equation, but I never knew why you had the back purge. My gut was telling me, I didn't learn as a welder, I just learned for myself how to do this. So it was to keep it from oxidizing internally, and I guess that's kind of the same thing.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
A less technical term.
Yeah, that's all it is. It's basically you flow argon through it, and you're really trying to like push the oxygen out. So like it's okay that it has all these small gaps. If it didn't have all these small gaps, you would actually need a vent hole at the end because you need somewhere for the oxygen to escape.
Well, that makes sense.
So,
wow,
it's not so much of just filling
sense.
it with argon, it's to get all the oxygen out of the pipe too.
That's cool. East Coast Supercharging has been around for over 40 years. You can't think about a Corvette without thinking about ECS. Contact us today so we can get your car across the finish line. Check out ecsgarage.com.